UNITYmetable is a software package that assists in producing a timetable that considers demands and complaints from its user. This innovation offers a great deal to the administrative in charge of producing timetables that can assist the users as much as possible. Compliance to demands from users that may seem small can lead to a more conducive learning environment that guarantees a better education. UNITYmetable is focusing on our users. Users are referred to administrative, lecturers, and students. There are the problems the industry faced over the years. In the previous years, some universities manually constructed their timetable, while others implement a system that only include the main requirements while ignoring users' demands. Catering the demands, complaints, and also the changes that occur every semester is a tedious task for administrative. Many efforts are given, yet prone to produce a poor outcome. We have started this invention since 2013. To initiate the product, a general model that can be applied to all institutions is constructed by collecting all demands and constraints through the literature and survey that we have done. The undesired constraints can be removed since the model is flexible and user-friendly. A mathematical model for high-quality examination timetabling problem is constructed based on students' complaints such as exam on weekends and holidays and 2 core exams held in the same day. A mathematical model that focuses on timetabling communities' demands is constructed for high-quality course timetable. Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Academics has previously envisioned for all lectures to be done by 1 p.m. every day. However, UMT unable to produce it. But with UNITYmetable innovation, we managed to cater the demands. In 2020, Pro Vice-Chancellor of Corporate Affairs and Industrial Linkage demands to produce and distribute course and exam timetables simultaneously at the early of the semester. Thus, our next innovation, 2-in-1 version of UNITYmetable is produced. With a click of button, course and exam timetables are produced simultaneously. This innovation benefits administrative in constructing high-quality timetables. Since 2020, we faced COVID-19 crisis where it brought a new normal in education system. Online learning execution is carried out instead of traditional classroom learning. The timetable constructed for face-to-face learning was employed directly for online classes. Thus, students' burden on adapting to the unfamiliar virtual learning is neglected by administrative. This situation occurs at almost all universities. Consecutive classes for 5 days weekly cause a student to be glued to their computer screen for hours. This will lead to various health problems for students. Students demand to have a maximum of 2 hours consecutive class per day. Some students prefer to have class at night instead of early morning. Besides that, lunch break and dinner breaks are necessary for every day. Because of the flexibility and user-friendly of UNITYmetable, a new version, C-19 UNITYmetable is produced to cater students' demands and timetabling problems which arises from COVID-19 crisis. This innovation is focused mainly on students' demands. All difficulties and complaints from students are taken into consideration. These are all the requirements used in C-19 UNITYmetable. The highlighted ones are the requirements emphasized in C-19 UNITYmetable. But remember, the requirements could be changed accordingly to what we want as the model is flexible and user-friendly. C-19 UNITYmetable model is tested by using UMT dataset. The model is tested on the computer with all these specifications. This is the simulation on how to use our software. To see the data in our software, we can click on the demo page. Progress window will show the progress of our run. To edit our model, we can click on the Model Explorer where we can do changes on the set, parameter, constraints and others. If we want to solve the exam timetabling problem, we can click on the Exam Timetables button. Next, to solve the course timetabling problems, we can click on the Course Timetables button. If we want to solve both course and exam timetabling problems at the same time, we can click on the Course and Exam Timetables button. Detailed analysis on the performance has been carried out. Positive output has been achieved where the timetable produced eliminates complaints, yet caters various demands from users. UNITYmetable has therefore proved its capability to produce a quality timetable under varied situations. As we mentioned before, due to the sudden changes that occurs from COVID-19 crisis, C-19 UNITYmetable innovation will be a great deal to be invested on by universities that emphasize on producing high-quality timetables. Compliance to demands from users can lead to a more conducive learning environment that guarantees a better education for students. Here's a short clip to summarize our product.